Hello, welcome again, and this will be concerning to the 360 design part. That this will be the video 2 that we are going to make the workflow, and that depends on the where the file is located here when we move it from here to here. So we will make it that on the structural part, and so let's begin. If, for instance, we are going to open directly from the SOM test project file structure. So right now we are going to make some changes and to the structure, and we will try to make a design on this part of the penthouse. We are going to make here this part, add a new a new truss. Okay, so that will be our contribution to these changes, and we are going to make the flow on the part of sharing and then consuming. Okay. What we have done here is make a call out just to have it easy to have all this all the information. We also made a new a new plan here that is the number 15, that is called Skyway, and we are going to import, well, not import, we are going to have the family of the truss that is a special truss. So we have set the G work plane. So we have right now the special truss that we are going to 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 place. Roughly will be like that one. And so as soon as we have it and we need to make or change the profiles, we need to load. That will be all set. Once we have set our framing, I know we need to make some small changes to see everything linked, but well, for sake of this presentation, it's okay. We can copy this framing uh, to these other two elements. Sorry, I forget to make it multiple, but well, it doesn't matter. We can we can put it here. We can take a look to this uh, part, and then just make these profiles reach these areas. And that will be our major changes for the architectural and going to the workflow. Uh, we have just make all the publishing settings in order we can see the new changes reflected. Uh, we can do the synchronization, and also we can I will put a new roof for that, and we also we are going to make the publishing. So that is mainly for the SOM site. That is, is as usually they will be working on the changes. So uh, once we have all this set, all these ones, this one needs to be on the published part. So once this is set, we are going to make a save as to our hard disk, and then moving to the DASoft site. Okay, all set. At this moment, we are going to make a save as to the hard disk, and for instance, right now we are on the structural part, so we are going to make the framing. Let's call it framing release 3 or version 3. We're going to make the save. And if you remember on our last video, we have here this part of the linking that is missing, and we get uh, a message. So we can this architectural, since this file is the one that we are going to move to the other 360, we're going to take away this this link, and after saving it, we are going to save as to the cloud. So right now, what we're going to do, we are on the SOM site, and we have been working, but this cloud model, we are going to send it to the DASoft, and since we are going to make all the process of design 360 design workflow, we are going to make it here on the project file structure SOM. So that is where it will be located. So what we can see at this moment is on the soft test on the structure SOM here, we have the file. So uh, uh, we have all the information that we have published, like the frame or the 2D views and so on. Okay, so what we are going to do at this moment is that since we have this information, we can go to the design collaboration. So going to the design collaboration, if I'm one from the SOM team that have all the privileges, like the all this part of privileges for sharing and doing all the process. For instance, the big manager can be like there. So if we are working on the SOM, that is people that is working on SOM, we have here our file that is the structure, and we are going to make all the process for making this sharing. So once we are now in the SOM collaboration part, that is this one, and is someone on the we can review, and we can see if has been published, and the detailings, and so on. So once we have this information, we can share it. So once we have this file, we can make a new package and share it. Once this is saved, we can share it, and I remember that is someone from SOM. So once we share it, that is we can have all these publishing that we will have this on a different color. Okay, so once this is shared, if I am working on the architectural part, we can see this one that is the shared, and this is on the shared folder that we have talked previously. And if we go here, and this is one from DASoft that has the privileges of reviewing the information as the information is okay for consuming. That is that we have reviewed it, that is perfect. Everyone in the group can use that information. So once this is consumed, uh, and we take a look to this document management, um, the information will be on the folders we have talked previously. On the shared one, for instance, this one on the structure, that is the first part that we have, this one. And on the uh, architectural part, in the consume area, on the structure, we will have this file that is right now the one that is consumed. So if we want to use all the process, instead of only on the sharing, first the one guy from the structural SOM put the information here, then share it, and the BIM manager, usually from the DASoft area, take it, and then is consumed for everyone on the team to use. And that will be using the same process we have done previously. However, this is uh, also considering the BIM 360 design workflow. And that will be all, and thanks, and I hope you enjoy both videos. Bye.